I don't. I think people that say they're motivated all the time is a flat out lie. There are days when I hate what I do, but I hate what I have to do that day. Or you just wake up and want to crawl into a ball and do nothing all day. But it just doesn't matter, because regardless of how I feel, I still have to get stuff done. So I always say that you don't work when you're motivated, you work until you're motivated. So regardless of how you feel that day, just do it anyway. I would recommend Retrieve to other creators. It is so difficult to search through YouTube. Any art, anything that you're trying to learn, whether you're trying to find out what the best time to harvest your carrots are, which I did YouTube the other day, to what I do with photography. How do you light a dark reception room? It can be very daunting to go through YouTube and find all this information. You know, you type that into the search bar and it's like 17 videos, and then those 17 videos have way too much fluff before and after it, and you can't get to the meat. So it's so great for your audience having a Retrieve that just gets people to the information they need as quickly as humanly or technologically possible. And on top of it, you get to make more money. So it's a win-win. It's such a great tool for your audience, and it's a great way to put food on your table too. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur, the fastest thing that will get you to not succeed would be to not financially set yourself up correctly. Actually, I have a YouTube video on this. What I would suggest, you want to get into entrepreneur, whatever, start your own business, creator, do anything, do it, but don't quit your day job until you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved into your savings account of any kind. And that money is bringing in as much money as your day job. That's when you know you can shift. You create all this content as a YouTuber, and it's good, and some things live on YouTube, and they're evergreen, and they trickle in the numbers there, but the amount of money that you make, it's not that much. But what actually sells is when you have a product, and that product makes a lot more money. At least double or like times 10. The fact that it just keeps trickling in. Like, I get an email from Retrieve every day telling me how many guides sold, and sometimes it's just 1, sometimes it's 2. It's usually around like 2 to 5, let's just say. I'll take passive income, and then we're making another set of guides, so that's only going to compound and become better. I mean, I love them.